As a YouTuber here in Gatlinburg, so many people ask me, how do I get the sound from the creeks and etc., etc. And what I wanted to do was show you guys how I do it. It's very easy, but yeah, I don't think there are any videos out there that show how easy it is to do. So here we go. There you go. That's just, you know, if you don't want to stand here for 20 minutes, I just kind of like take little spots here and there and work my way down. Just obviously, without getting wet, you want to get as close to it as possible with the phone. And if you can mount it, I like to be able to that. So right here, I mounted this rock here to keep it from falling over, and there we go. And hit. So while that's recording, I'll let that simmer and just kind of walk around for a few minutes and excuse me, look for another spot to put the camera down. Because for me, I don't know about you, but I don't want to just see the same thing for 10 minutes. So if I break it up and by little bits and pieces, 2 or 3 minutes here and there, you've got a good 10-minute video to make. So little things like that, that's what I try to remember to do at least. And of course you want to be quiet. I'm trying to be quiet. So then after that, go to the next one. I want this right there. And of course you want to be quiet. I'm trying to be quiet. So then after that, go to the next one. I want this right there. Okay, so I've got this one here, and you don't want to... So again, I am in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, the most visited national park in America. So while you think that you're going to be able to film some of this without some car noise, beeping, honking, crowd noise, it gets frustrating at times, but you know, you can get over it. So have that in mind. While you think you've got a great shot and nice and quiet, just out of nowhere, someone might be yelling, screaming, again, honking the horn, a car might backfire, a leaf blower. My favorite's the leaf blower, you know, so just think about that while you're filming. A gust of wind might blow it over, so I'm gonna stay right here. And it's perfect because it's almost sunset, so this is perfect right here. So I'm gonna once again hit record and then be quiet. Okay.
As you can see, it's very easy to learn, but you know, it took me a couple of tries to film this while I'm filming for you guys to see how to do this, but I love doing it. Again, I'm in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, right on the North Carolina-Tennessee border, for those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about. It's just amazing. Amazing. Look at this. As you can clearly see, I am not an expert on this. So if I've helped you out in any way, please give me a heads up. Tell me if I messed up, didn't do anything.